Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to do an unboxing of the Essie 2021 Advent Calendar. So I have already just quickly unboxed it, or at least recorded the footage that you will be seeing after this intro part. So this is the entire calendar, but of course it's empty. It doesn't weigh as much anymore. But yeah, I have unboxed it and I am really curious to hear what you guys think about it. It is quite a big one. I really love the fact how they designed this one. I got the Advent calendar last year as well, and I really like that one too. Last year there were separate boxes that you could just take out and open, but for now they're all like the riddle pre thingies. You really have to push them in and just rip it open before you can get the polishes out. So I have purchased this one myself. I actually got it for, I think it was just a little below 60 euros at Shop.nl, which is actually a local Dutch web store that sells a ton of really beautiful brands, not only nail polish but actually mostly makeup as well. So yeah, I am not sponsored or anything like that. And yeah, let's just quit the rambling and get into the whole unboxing. And of course, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching on forehand. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video as well.
So before going into the entire unboxing and so on, Timmi had to be in this video. I actually recorded this in the center of my living room, and as you can see there is an IKEA moving box. I actually just threw a plate on top of a big stash of moving boxes because I'm actually packing up to move. We have just bought a new home. We will be getting the keys on December 1st, so yeah, it will be kind of hectic to record and just everything inside and out of the old home. So yeah, that's why the entire look of this video is a little different, and Timmi just had to be there. But yeah, I'm just going to quit the rambling right here, slap some music underneath the rest of the video, and show you all of the bottles that are in this Advent calendar. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely let me know if you're going to purchase this one yourself as well, and of course if you don't want to know what's inside here, just get out of this video playing because you will see every single item that's in here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video as well.